What's good, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you every single free tool that you can use to be successful in wholesaling real estate. I'm going to break it down on the whiteboard right now. I'm going to show you every free way and every free thing that you can go out there and get. Like, you can get it right now. You can get it right now and use it to find wholesale deals. So if you want to be successful in wholesaling and you don't have money, look, I'm going to give you every single free tool and free resource and free software right now that you can get to use to find deals. Let's jump into it. All right, let's break it down. Free wholesaling. Tools. Resources. I'm going to give you them all. I'm going to give you them all today. Okay, so let's break it down. Number one, my free wholesaling university. Okay, what is this, right? My free wholesaling university. There's a link down below in the description for this. You can also get to it at freewholesalingrealestate.com. There is 20 course videos. 20 course videos showing you step-by-step how to wholesale real estate, showing you everything about the business and a step-by-step process on how to get your first deal and make money right away, okay? There's also, inside there's free resources. Contracts, scripts, training, my sales process, everything, okay? There's also a community of other new wholesalers looking to get started that you can network with and grow with. You can also book a call. You can also book a call. Once you're in the free wholesaling university, you can book a call with me and my team where we will help you and train you in the business. Okay? That's my free wholesaling university. That's resource number one that is completely free. Number two, I hold a 1-hour live training every Wednesday. Every single week, I hold a free 1-hour live Zoom call with me where I personally coach you on this business. In this live training, the goal is to show you how to make $20,000 in 30 days. And if you're already doing deals, the goal is to show you how to scale. So, in this live training that I hold every single week, there's a link down below in the description to sign up for this. I'm going to show you how to make $20,000 in the next 30 days. And if you're already doing deals, I'm going to show you how to scale. Okay? Number three, contracts and scripts. Okay, I'm going to give you my purchase contract, my assignment contract, and my cold calling script for 100% free. All you have to do is go to jacobblank.com/free and you're going to be able to download these. Okay? Number four, title companies. Title company list. In order to close real estate wholesale deals, you need to be using an investor-friendly title company. So I'm going to give you my list of my favorite investor-friendly title companies across the country in every market for 100% free. To download this, all you're going to do is go to jacobblank.com/title. Okay? Number five, 7-day free trial. PropStream. Okay. PropStream is an all-in-one wholesaling real estate tool. It lets you look up any property across the country. It lets you figure out the value of the property. It lets you comp the property and make an offer. It lets you pull motivated seller lists. It's an all-in-one wholesaling tool software, an all-in-one wholesaling software. And you're going to be able to get a 7-day free trial. Now, to get this 7-day free trial, you need to go to jacobblank.com/services. It's trial.propstreampro.com/JB in order to get the 7-day free trial. But you can just go to jacobblank.com/services. You're going to be able to get a 7-day free trial from this. And what you're going to get from it is you're going to be able to get 10,000 motivated seller records. Okay? 10,000 motivated seller records for free with your 7-day free trial. So make sure you go get that, okay? Number 6, skip tracing for free. What is skip tracing? When you have an address, you need to find the property, homeowners, contact information, so you can call them and make them an offer. So skip tracing for free. What website do I use to skip trace for free? I use cyberbackgroundchecks.com. Cyberbackgroundchecks.com is where you can do a reverse address lookup in order to get the phone number to be able to reach the homeowner, okay? So that's how to skip trace for free. There's also 2 other sites that you can use to skip trace for free. We have White Pages and we have True People Search. So to skip trace for free, my favorite is Cyber Background Checks. You can also use whitepages.com and you can also use truepeoplesearch.com. Okay? So far we've covered free course on exactly how to wholesale real estate, personal 1-hour mentorship call with me that I hold every week. That's an hour long. We've covered how to get the contracts and scripts for free. We've covered how to get the title company list for free. We've covered how to get a 7-day free trial of the best all-in-one wholesaling software and get 10,000 motivated seller records with this 7-day free trial of PropStream. And we've covered how to skip trace for free. Now, another community that you can join for 100% free is my real estate Facebook group, okay? What's the benefits of joining real estate Facebook groups and what's the benefits of joining my real estate Facebook group? There's over 14,000 wholesalers in my real estate Facebook group. If you go on Facebook and you search up Wholesaling Real Estate with Jacob Blank, you're going to be able to join my real estate Facebook group. You're going to be able to connect with other wholesalers and network with them. You're going to be able to share resources with them. You are going to be able to find cash buyers. Okay? There's a lot of cash buyers in my real estate Facebook group. Okay? And you will be able to sell your deals to them. You can post your deals in my real estate Facebook group. Buyers will hit you up and want to buy your deals. Now, number 8 is cash buyers. How do we find cash buyers for free? Okay? And the best way to do that is real estate Facebook groups. Okay? So I want you to join a bunch of real estate Facebook groups in your market. There's going to be a bunch of cash buyers in there that you're going to be able to talk to and you're going to be able to sell your deals to. Okay? So that's how to find cash buyers. So we've went over the training, how to learn how to wholesale, right? We've went over the contracts you need in order to do wholesale deals. We went over the title companies you need in order to close real estate deals, right? Title companies are used to close every single real estate deal. We went over the software you need in order to look up these properties. We went over how to skip trace for free in order to get the contact information of the homeowners, in order to call them and make them offers. And now we've went over how to find cash buyers for free, okay? Now the final thing we need is a couple more methods on how to find deals for free, right? These are a bunch of free resources for training, contracts, title companies, cash buyers, but what about how to find deals for free? So, my favorite methods for that are for sale by owners, okay? What is a for sale by owner, a FSBO? It is when a homeowner posts their property for sale on various platforms online. They're raising their hand and they're saying, hey, I'm motivated to sell my property. It's for sale by owner. Please make me an offer. They're not working with a realtor and they want to sell their house, okay? So you can find these people that are listing their property. The homeowner has listed their property for sale by owner on Zillow, on for sale by owner.com, and on Craigslist. Okay? These are how to find deals for free. Go ahead and make offers to the homeowners that have listed their properties for sale by owner on Zillow, for salebyowner.com, and Craigslist. You can also do this with for rent by owner. For rent by owner, same thing. Maybe they've listed their property for rent, but maybe their past tenant was a bad tenant. They destroyed the house, and maybe they are looking for a new tenant, but they're kind of tired of renting it, and maybe they'd consider selling it for a cash offer. So guys, make sure you go down below, link in the description, join my free university. I'll see you inside, and on my next live training, I will see you on the live call with me. If you guys liked this video and found it valuable, hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, go down below, hit the red button and subscribe. But I hope this video was valuable to give you all the free wholesaling tools and resources that you need to get a jump start in this business with $0. I will see you on the next video. Peace.